So we're starting off in Astra car park. Car is pretty much done up. No squeaky noises, no nothing. I only need to improve it now. Need to do the entry case spark plugs. Even the gear shifter is so bloody amazing now. Just fucking look. Reverse, just like that. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and just goes in key. Well, as you can see, she's running fine. I don't see no oil leaks. Apart from all the gunk that's been left there and I can't get it out. I need to get it on the ramp or something. Cause I cleaned the, the chassis rails. I mean, anything up and whatever. Yeah, it looks clean now. But underneath it, let me not get my the only, it's got fucking grease left underneath it. And obviously I have to take care of the surface rust, which shouldn't be a problem. Oh yeah, and I'm trying to pop up the colon, but I'm not gonna get it off now. And bro, part of the lid just stayed in, and now I order a new one, but I don't know how I'm gonna get it out. What the fuck is that guy doing in there? I don't know if you can see that guy there, but for some reason, oh no, I think he's pissing, but let me leave him alone. Fucking hell. Right, so I just washed the car. I mean, I rinsed it. Just gave it a foam wash and rinsed it. Well, she's looking good though. Just the wheels are painted. Paint is starting to come off, but they're still alright though. WD-40 my clutch pedal, man. It's just horrendous. That shit happens every time I wash my car. And I get wet feet in the car. It starts squeaking. Or whenever it's raining, for that matter. So I need to sort that out. Actually, I need to bleed the brakes as well next week. Got that liquid moly coming in. Drain, bro. Messed up first reception, but other than that, she moves mean. Oh, come on, bro. I need to bleed the brakes. I think I have air in the system, or it might be that the fluid is too old. One of the two, but I need to flush it away. Oh, I hate. Look at my these AliExpress wipes, man. Couldn't wipe shit with it. It smeared all over my windshield. No, I need to do my windows again. How the fuck am I gonna? I don't even have gloves right now. It's 20 minutes 20, so